You own a CMF watch. You are still using this original CMF watch to manage it. Heads up, nothing is pulling the plug on the standard app and moving everything is nothing except. The clock is ticking on when you can make the move. As of April 3rd, the CMF Watch app has been removed from App Store. Nothing confirms the transition in a community post urging all CMF Watch Pro watch users to migrate to the new Nothing app, Nothing X app before July 19, 2026 for the smoothest experience. Once you start the migration, your old CMF Watch app account will be deactivated. You will not be able to log back even if you re-download the app. Most of the important health and fitness data will be carried over. This includes workout records, daily sleep data, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress level, active snore, and training load. Your fitness goals come along for a ride too, but your nickname, avatar, height, weight, female health data will not be making the jump. You will have to re-enter all of them manually. If you spend time creating custom watch faces in the CMF Watch app, those are gone for good. They will not transfer to the Nothing X app. The process is pretty straightforward. Open the Nothing X app, log in with the same account you use for the CMF Watch, connect with your watch and tap data migration. If something goes wrong during the transfer, Nothing says to reach out to the support team directly. The move was long overdue. Nothing CMF headphones has been managed to the Nothing except for a while, so having the watch live in a completely separate app never made sense.